Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to file ITR for a partnership firm. Filing your income tax return is a crucial annual compliance for all partnership firms, even if your firm experiences a loss. This process ensures transparency and adherence to tax regulations. The designated form for partnership firms is ITR Form 5, which is specifically designed for such entities. It is important to note that all partnership firms are required to file their returns electronically through the official income tax portal. To ensure a smooth filing process, you will need several key documents. Start by collecting the permanent account number cards for both your partnership firm and all individual partners. Additionally, ensure you have your firm's bank statements and meticulously maintained books of accounts. The partnership deed and any tax deducted at source certificates received are also essential. Finally, compile details of all income sources and your goods and services tax registration certificate, if applicable. The online filing process is straightforward. First, log in to the Income Tax Department's e-filing portal using your credentials. Next, select ITR Form 5 and the appropriate assessment year. Carefully enter all your firm's financial details, including income, expenses, and any eligible deductions. For verification, you can use a digital signature certificate, which is mandatory for audited firms, or an electronic verification code. After successful verification, submit the form and remember to save the acknowledgement for your records. Adhering to deadlines is crucial to avoid penalties. For partnership firms not requiring an audit, the income tax return must be filed by July 31st. However, if your firm is subject to an audit, the deadline extends to October 31st. Firms involved in international or specified domestic transactions have a later deadline of November 30th. Remember, an audit becomes mandatory if your business turnover exceeds 1 crore rupees or 50 lakh rupees for professionals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.